We are reporting live in the midst of a major blizzard right here. As you can see, it's coming down thick. It's been snowing since early this morning. And I cannot emphasize it much how you need to just stay off the road. Stay home or stay at work, be productive, buy a helicopter. And 23 degrees, 17 feet on the ground, as you can see. It's coming down like crazy. The Mexicans are out. Everyone's out. Everyone's having a good time. And, it's blowing in. The porch is getting covered. And I want to go ahead and go to some clips we shot earlier in the day of a few unhappy pedestrians. Now, sir, what do you think about this Arctic plunge the city's been immersed in for the past 4 days?
I think it's the devil. Ask me another question, Poncho.
What do you think about this global warming they're all speculating at? You think that's bullshit?
I think it's the devil.
Devil?
He's everywhere.
Well, back to you, Bill and
It's all
Dean.
in the mix.
All right. We're back reporting live here. As you saw earlier, those people were very unhappy with this weather that's come in. It's getting worse by the minute. We don't know what's going to happen. They're closing down the roads. As you can see, I'm getting hammered right now. Oh, it tastes good. And it's going to continue through the night, maybe through the next week. It's just going to keep coming and coming and coming. And I don't know what we're going to do here. We got to batten down the hatches and keep it fucking exclusive. These Russians have sent this snow from us. And as you can see, a little blue sky is the eye of the storm, as they call it. And if you can believe the weather service, the storm isn't even here yet. We're going to get inside. It's getting bad. We're live in the midst of it here. Fucking exclusive coming at you. As you can see, roads are icy. It's coming down real thick right now. And not too much on the ground, It's melting and refreezing, as they've been saying. About 3 to 4 feet expected here, and blame this on the Russians, not global warming. And as you can see down there, it's just an absolute mess. It's coming down thick, and not supposed to let up for a while now. And who knows what's going to happen, but keeping it exclusive. And I want to go ahead and shoot you some clips we shot earlier in the day of some just absolutely outrageous pedestrians. So you're the owner of this Mazda here. How bad are the roads out there?
They're awful.
What do you think about the mayor not getting plows out there?
Every year he promises all the roads are on standby, but they never come out. It's just ridiculous.
What do you think about him?
Well, he needs to get with the program. We need a new mayor.
I want to say the roads are very, very bad. I come from Pakistan and I am fed up with this. Allah! The roads are impassable. I cannot get to church in the morning. I cannot even go out for my daily bread. I cannot go anywhere anymore. Allah! As you can see, it's gotten worse. Just a few minutes ago we were reporting live to you, and I know those people didn't sound very happy. you know, I couldn't say I'm extremely happy. You know, you gotta love this this weather here, and we've got about another inch since we last talked to you guys. It's just getting worse. The wind's picking up, and temperature's dropping by the minute at least. And I gotta tell you, it's time to put the gloves on. That Russian Antoine, this is all his fault. You know, I'm just sick and tired of these Russians starting to snow. But we'll get back with you guys tonight.